Morning guys, just out with the dog this morning, taking her on a little walk as usual. Bear with me, I'm a little bit tired this morning, only just woken up myself, so still sort of trying to get with it. She's loving it though, she's been up since 5 o'clock this morning. Oh yes, I know. But yeah, thought I'd just sort of catch up with yous this morning, and then I'll probably jump back on the vlog this afternoon once we're at the trading session, so I'll take you along in that with me. I may have a gym session again today, so probably take you in that as well. Yeah, nothing too exciting I don't think this week, just trying to get back into the routine of doing my vlogs, just picking up the camera again really. Got my coffee. To be fair though, I do want to eventually come off my coffees. I've gone from having like 5-6 coffees a day to having only 2 in the morning, which is better than having 5 or 6 a day. But I do drink a lot of cup of tea as well, so I'd like to knock that on the head a little bit as well. Not solely for health purposes, just when you drink a lot of tea and coffee, it stains your teeth, and I want to try and get my teeth a little bit whiter, potentially get them whitened as well, so I don't want to do all that and then just stain my teeth again. So yeah, so I'm trying to cut down on my tea and coffee. But when you do work in an office or work from home or whatever, I work at a desk, you tend to drink a lot of tea, coffee, and now it's just having a poo. There she is, running off. So yeah, I just want to say sorry if there's not much excitement over the next few weeks. I'm just getting back into the routine of vlogging and creating content for YouTube and social media, etc. So I haven't really got out exciting planned. It's just like my everyday sort of life. It's nothing really exciting, but I thought I'd start vlogging and sticking it on YouTube again. So yeah, I'll take you with me all week. It's really just going to be trading. I'm getting my hair sorted out. I need to get back on top of that. I haven't really got much else planned, so I think we're going to go kayaking on Wednesday with the lads. So I'll take you on that with me. Take you to get when I get my hair done and what have you. And then the rest of it's just going to be probably just trading content and everyday life, everyday hustle. So yeah, I'll catch back up with you later on in the day and we'll see where we're at. Come on then, Niles, this way. So yeah, peace out, see you soon. Look how wild she goes in here, it's class. This way. Nala, this way. She's disappeared, look. What's this? What's this? Come on then. She absolutely loves it. This way. This way. Yeah, feeling very fucking chesty today. Got a lot of phlegm on my chest. So I stopped vaping for the past few weeks, and then for some odd reason yesterday when I went to shops, I bought a fucking vape for some reason. Anyway, I've smoked more or less the full fucking vape yesterday, and yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. So I think I'm gonna give them a knock on the head again and fuck them off, because they're clearly not good for you, are they? Which obviously smoking ain't good for you anyway, but I thought I'd rather get a vape than get a pack of cigs. So yeah, no wonder they're fucking illegal now. But yeah, has anyone else realised that when after you've stopped and you've then started again, you can clearly taste the colour and the fucking flavour in your throat? They're not good for you, really not good for you. Oh, she's come out the long grass now. Yeah, I could just feel the fucking phlegm in my throat, which is disgusting. Just out in the back bit now, unviewed. This way. Yeah, so as I've sort of said before, I'm going to try to cover a lot of trading content on this channel. However, I do want to post a lot of normal, everyday sort of vlogging content like this, because, you know, trading is like 5% of my life, 1% each day. So I wouldn't really say trading makes up my life. There's plenty of other things that add to my life as such. So yeah, although I'm going to cover trading, I want to cover the rest of my life as well, and hopefully look back on this in years to come and it'll be all memories and fun to watch. So that's the real reason I want to vlog and video everything, or video as much as I can. I hope it's not boring for you all. But it is what it is, and at the end of the day, this is what I'm wanting to do. If you don't like it, fuck off to another channel. Nah, I'm joking. Please subscribe. You alright, Niles? She's just as tired out as I am. Literally got up, got dressed, made a coffee, dog lead on, and we were straight out this morning. No messing about. But yeah, got up a little bit late this morning. She was up at 5 o'clock. Right, are you ready to carry on? You ready? Go on then. She's off. I wish I had the energy this morning. Bit of a kick up the arse would be nice, wouldn't it? Right. I'll definitely now catch up with you a lot later on. I won't keep tapping in. So yeah, I'll catch up with you around dinner time, hopefully. I mean, these London sessions starting at 9 o'clock, my London trading session, I might have a sneak peek, see what the charts are saying. Other than that, I'm gonna have a trip to shop, have a gym workout, eat some food, get some breakfast, and then yeah, I'll start working until 5-6 o'clock tonight, probably later anyway. When I say work, I mean it's not really work. I love what I do, I enjoy what I do, so it's not really work, is it? So yeah, I'll definitely now catch up with you a lot later on. Peace out. Jobs to do today, so I'm going to start cracking on. We've got, if you can't read the handwriting, it's like a fucking 10-year-old. So we've got check KDP journal, so that's go onto Amazon, check that the trading journal log that I submitted yesterday can be ready to be published, see if it's being accepted or not. The second job to do is add all the footage from the Benny and the Jets video last week, what what we shot with the boys. I got to go through it all, start editing the video. I'm not sure if we're going to do it through CapCut. We'll have a look at that one. I'm going to start to do the same type of editing with this vlog for my channel. So yeah, that's the first couple of jobs. I'm going to start planning some other videos for the YouTube channel, for this channel. So I was thinking of doing one about margins of my life, my new book that I've just released, self-published, all about my life, not just about trading. There's other bits and bobs in there, so I'm going to plan a video for that, I think. Need to plan some other video content as well for YouTube, because really I really do like creating videos. I like shooting footage, I like all the editing. So yeah, I'm gonna start getting myself put out there a little bit more, put on YouTube. So yeah, should be exciting. So I need to come up with a few more ideas for videos. Then we've got trading at 2:30, which will be about 9:30 New York time. So we'll be trading the Open New York, and then we've got gym at 5 o'clock as well. So quite a busy day. I'll probably be working again after the gym as well. So there we have it. The daily trading log. It's a daily journal for obviously trading, for storing your trades. It's going to be in paperback version, so you can basically have a book that size to write your trades in. I will show more of this when I've got it as well. So quite exciting, but currently in review, and it will be only £10, so not too bad. And you get 6 months worth of storing your trades, logging your trades. There's monthly reviews to do, there's quarterly reviews to do, weekly reviews to do. So get on this when it's released. It'll be a massive help, because I do this type of journaling anyway, but on Excel. So rather than do it on Excel, I'm going to start doing it in hard format, so obviously within a book. So I'll be doing this myself. You'll see a lot more of it, so get on that when it's released. Yo guys, I thought I'd share with you the London session breakdown. I didn't take this trade this morning, however I wanted to still share the breakdown of the trade, how it would have played out. So without further ado, we'll get straight on with it. So we've had the pre-session range form. So we've had a low start, we've had a higher low, higher low, and then another higher high formed at these tops. We've then on the open, we've had price break this lower, this low here. We've had price break that low, tap into this point of interest below, and we've had price break off. We've had price retract back down into this same zone, creating equal lows, and then we've seen the price push off. Tag liquidity above, so these highs here, triggering buy stops, and also sell short stop losses, whatever you want to call it. We've then seen accumulation in price / consolidation before we've seen the break of this low. So on this break of this low, we've had an imbalance form right here, as you can see. Imbalance / fair value gap, whatever you want to call it, it's all the same thing. We've had a rejection candle from that imbalance. This is where we would have entered the trade. We've also had moving averages crossover confirming that trade, and then on the ATAS platform we've seen delta change from positive to negative, meaning there's a change in the trend. So we would have entered off that candle, SL just above the highs, targeting the lows down here, so pre-session lows, and that would have been a nice 2.5 risk to reward. So it's nice to see the strategy playing out, and hopefully again it'll play out in New York session. So I will be trading New York session live, so yeah, be there or be square, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. So this was the drink of choice, White Monster, obviously, and we've gone for a classic Coca-Cola as well, obviously. And then I can't lie, we've got some sweeties. So we've got some Haribo strips as well. One of my favourites. Stupendous confectionery. So yeah, I'm just waiting for 2:30 now, well 1:30 for the pre-arranged session to begin, and then we'll be cracking on with the 2:30 open. So I'll catch you guys in a little while. Yo, so just tuning in before New York session. It starts in 10 minutes. We've done the breakdown already. So we've got London session here, breakdown into New York session. So we'll see what happens. Got me Monster, got me Snus. But yeah, being serious. Let's make some fucking coin. See you in part 2. Yo, so I thought I'd just tap in with you all. We are now 10 minutes into the New York session. We've seemed to have grabbed liquidity below and prices running high on the Nasdaq. I'm just waiting to see whether we're tapping high to grab higher prices before seeing that downtrend. But yeah, it's just a waiting game at the moment. Have a look at the charts for yourself. Just turn this light off. So that's what we're currently looking at. We've had pre-session range form, highs and lows. We've had the grab of liquidity below, tap into this point of interest, and bosh on the open. We've had high prices grab. So yeah, I'm going to see what happens in this area at the moment, see if we'll get that double pump action before seeing a lower price. But yeah, I'll keep you all updated. Hopefully we see something in the next hour or so. If we don't, then I'm just going to call it a day and have another go tomorrow. So yeah, I'll catch up with you all very soon. Yo guys, just tapping in with you all. Still no trade yet. We're about nearly an hour into the session now. Got about 40 minutes left of this trading session. So we'll see what happens. It's looking very bullish today. I'll be surprised if we get a break of lows and a reversal into bearish price, but we'll see. Some days are like this, some days are no trading. It's okay if you don't have to trade every single day. It's about discipline, having them A+ setups that you're going for, having all your confirmations alarmed before you enter the trade. Like I say, I've had a couple of opportunities present itself, but not every confirmation was ticked before I entered, so I didn't enter. And obviously it's a good thing because prices continued rising. So I'll show you the charts now. So that's what we're currently looking at. Very bullish day. Looking to break these lows before seeing some sort of reversal. So if we get that reversal and I get a trade, I'll tap back in with you all. If I don't, then I'll just leave it there and I'll just quickly catch up. Didn't end up taking any trades in New York session, nothing really lined up, and the session ends at 4 o'clock, so I just didn't end up taking anything. It is what it is, it's one of them days. Fuck it. But yeah, on a serious note, now I'm just pretty much just chilling out. Got a little bit of work to do for the lads channel for Benny and the Jets, which is one of our, well, it is our new YouTube channel for hiking, wild camping, and all things adventure fun. So just editing that long video now. Currently it's an hour and 20 minutes, which yeah, I know it's pretty long. So just going through that and editing and taking out bits that aren't supposed to be in there. So yeah, just gonna chill out, do that tonight, have tea, and then I'll probably have a workout later this evening once it's cooled down a little bit. So yeah, just thought I'd just keep you updated as per usual. Good morning, good morning. So today's Tuesday. Just bear with me because I've only just woken up. Out with the dog this morning again. Morning routine. It's always good to have routine. She helps me keep in routine. But yeah, like I say, a bit tired this morning. Didn't end up going to bed last night till 1-2 o'clock. I was just up, just fucking working and busy doing stuff. To be fair, I know it's bad. I should get to bed a lot earlier than that time, but it is what it is, isn't it? At the end of the day, I'll catch up on sleep when I die, motherfucker. I'm joking, but should get to bed earlier. So yeah, how are you all feeling this fine morning? Are you feeling it, or are you feeling a bit shit? I know the hay fever's got me feeling a little bit shitty, but apart from that, I'm golden. Get home, have some brekkie, have a gym session, and then crack on with the day, I think. Get out, people, make the most of it. Weather's gorgeous. And just fucking crack on. You know, if you was gonna do something yesterday, get it done today. But yeah, I'll tap in later on. Yo, so job one for today is to take apart my PC and dust it out and clean it out, because yesterday we had some severe rattling going on in the fans, and I don't know if you can see, but I mean, look at the sheer dust in all of that. And I mean, this PC has really done me well. So before I got it, one of my friends had it. I bought the PC from him. I've had this now about 3-4 years or something. It's really doing the job for me. However, I don't want it to break. It was rattling like fuck last night when I was working. And I mean, it's gonna get overheated. It's gonna rattle, I suppose, after 6 to 8 hours of working on the PC. But yeah, just a bit of TLC, bit of cleaning up. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope I don't break anything, because I fucking need this PC. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Once I've taken it apart, I might show you a little bit more about the PC. But yeah, it's definitely a job that needs doing today. So I'm going to crack on with this, and then hopefully get it all back together before the trading session later on. If I don't, then you won't be seeing no vlog. It is what it is. But yeah, let's crack on. Turn that alarm off. Yo, so we are now ready for the New York session to start. It's 10 minutes to go until the open. So we've just got the pre-arranged session form. So we've got highs and lows of that pre-arranged session now. I'd be waiting to see either of them high and lows being taken out, used as liquidity, and then I want to see a reversal or a continuation of that trend. Really got everything down to a T at the moment. Never really felt this driven as such, especially within, you know, my trading business and my sort of like my personal brand. Got some exciting things coming in the next few weeks that will add to the personal brand. So we're not, like I've said before, we're not all here just to do trading content. Obviously that is a big part of it all, but it's not what I'm fully wanting to do. Yes, I make money from trading. Yes, it is like my job now, I suppose. But like any job, it becomes more of a 9-to-5 job, repetitive. Not saying that I'm losing my love for trading, not at all, because I love it, I love what I do. But everything becomes repetitive once you've done it enough. So what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to explore different avenues, such as my vlogging, my personal brand, and yeah. So we've got some, like I said, we've got some decent things coming in the next few weeks to help build my personal brand, so stay tuned on that. Obviously it'll be in the YouTube videos anyway, so you won't miss it. And yeah, so we'll see how this New York session plays out. I'll probably do a review on my social media, I might even put that same review into the vlog as well, like I did yesterday, so you guys can benefit from it as well. So yeah, man, we'll probably catch up a little bit later on. I don't want to vlog too much today because I felt like all I was doing yesterday was tapping in with you guys and catching up. So yeah, we'll do that a little bit later on. Gonna have a gym session later on as well, and a couple of other bits and bobs to finish. So yeah, another productive day. That's what we like, productive. Staying on that grind, being consistent every day. And you guys are actually keeping me in check, so appreciate that, man. But yeah, man, I'll catch back up with you a lot later on. Stay sharp, stay healthy. See you soon. I wasn't able to record this because my GoPro died at the time, but we caught a trade in New York session, so I'll show you it here. And now I'll show you the breakdown. Yo guys, so we've just had this trade in New York session. It's literally just hit take profit just then. So I'm going to break down the charts for you. This is on the Nasdaq in New York session. Let's get into it. So we've had the pre-session range start. So we've had this high here, created a low, created a high, created lows, created a high, and created another low. We've then broken that low, this high here, broken that, creating a high, which then creates this point of interest below. Prices then tap back into that point of interest before taking off on the open. Breaking this high, creating another point of interest right below. On the open, we've created a fresh imbalance in this candle, taking out liquidity above this high here, and also taking out liquidity above the pre-session range. Prices then dipped below, created another high, and then broken the last low, creating a point of interest on this leg right here. Prices then tapped into this point of interest. We've then entered the trade. Moving averages have crossed over as well. Entered the trade, and in less than 4 minutes we've hit take profit. Beautiful trade. Targeting take profit just at the bottom here, so just below this POI, just below the pre-session range. So an absolute beautiful trade today. 2.5 risk to reward. You can't go wrong with that. So yeah, beautiful trade, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. See you soon. Score. Bosh, look at that for a tea. Egg fried rice and chicken curry. Get in. Yo, good morning people. Bit of a later start this morning. Already been out taking the dog out for a walk. Gonna pop out this morning with my mum. Go get my hair cut. Go get some chippy and pop to see my niece, Mila. We're going to do that and then hopefully be home for around dinner time, and we'll catch the NYSE trading session as always. So if I don't see you, I'll see you in the next part of the video. Stay sharp and I'll catch you in the next one. Yo, just checking in with you all. Finally been and had my hair trimmed. And with mother.
Aye.
Just picked up some chip here as well. But just on the route home now. It's nearly 1 o'clock, so we're about an hour and a half out from the New York session. So we're gonna get home, get set up ready for that, and then yeah, hit the charts at 2:30. Hopefully we've got price action playing out the same way it has over the past few days, because the price action has been phenomenal. Setup's playing out to a T. I had a glance at London session this morning. And again, the exact same play out, a grab of high liquidity and a push down to previous lows. So again, I'm looking for similar setup on the open. Past 2 days on New York session though have been very bullish, so potentially we could be looking for a bearish open, reversal into then bullish price action. So yeah, we'll see what happens. After trading session, I'm going to start getting a lot of the stuff ready for tonight. I'm going to go out with the lads, hopefully go on kayaks down river, yeah, go play out in the sun with the boys. So that's the plan. Hopefully get a few more videos for Benny and the Jets filmed, and then yeah, hopefully premiere the Benny and the Jets video on YouTube on Friday. Planning to do that, start editing the next episode. So yeah, things are good, cracking right on. So yeah, cut them in now in New York session. I'll see you there. So guys, we are now in New York session. Price action has gone bearish on the open, as I sort of predicted. Every couple of bullish days you will always see a bearish day or a bearish open. That's just the way it works. So now currently we've just had a break of the previous high. Brilliant. Set the buy limit order on Nasdaq. So we've had the bearish sweep, a sweep of Wednesday 18th, that daily low. So we've swept that daily low. We've swept the pre-New York session range that I like to speak about. So we've swept that for liquidity. We've broken the last highs. We've created a recent point of interest at the lows. And I'm now just sitting and waiting for my entry point. If I can tag in and get back to the last resistance zone, last support zone, now new resistance, I'll be happy with that and we'll get out the trade. So yeah, I'll keep you updated if we get tagged in. If we don't, it is what it is. No trading day. Don't get disheartened about it. We'll move on. The setup was still valid. If we get tagged in and hit stop loss, it's all part and parcel. It's all part and parcel of the game. We make losses, we make wins. But a thing that I'm trying to introduce now is to get out the trade sooner rather than just hitting stop loss. So cutting my losses early and letting my wins run. So that's a thing I'm now trying to introduce into my trading. Just to increase that profit margin at the end of the month, end of the year. It just slightly makes it look that a little bit more positive. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on this trade. Obviously if I've taken it, you'll see the breakdown. Maybe I'll share the breakdown even if I don't take the trade, even if we don't get tagged in. It is what it is. So yeah, cut to the breakdown. Yo guys, we're back with another trade review. So let's get straight into it. This is Nasdaq on the NYSE Open. We've created pre-session range here, creating highs and lows of that session. On the Open, we've broken them lows there, broken them lows, taking liquidity below. Also, what's an interesting point is we've taken lows from Wednesday the 18th. So that daily low, we've taken liquidity resting below them lows. Hit that, we've created highs and lows below here. We've broken the last high, which is this point, creating this point of interest below. Unfortunately, I set the buy limit. We didn't get tagged in for some odd reason, even though we've had this long wick here. On my broker, obviously spreads must have been opened up and we haven't been tagged in. This shit happens when you're a trader, you've just got to deal with it. So unfortunately didn't get tagged in, but look at that, beautiful price action all the way up until this bearish point of interest here. It'd have been a 4.68 risk to reward, so almost 4.7 risk to reward. It'd have been a beautiful return. It is what it is. You got to deal with it and move on to the next one. I'll see you soon. So yeah, quite disheartened about that one. Broker didn't tag us in, even though the buy limit was placed. We've had a long wick down into the point of interest. We should have been tagged in. I mean, I suppose it's one of them things when you're a trader. Not everything works out to a T. but it is a sore one to take. Sometimes the worse than taking a losing trade, when you've just seen price run cleanly all the way to your take profit, cleanly all to the next point of interest. I mean, it fucking sucks, but it is what it is. We'll move on to the next one. But yeah, it's a tough one, man. So I'm going to leave it there for today, and we'll be back again tomorrow. Again, it's about routine, consistency, and just showing up every single day. But yeah, it's a rough one to take. So that's gym workout done, trading done, food eaten, just waiting for the lads now, and then we'll go kayaking for the night. So, yep, cut to me kayaking, I suppose. Let's go.
Get like a 4 o'clock launch, something like that, or 6 o'clock.
It tells you the times, mate, but it didn't match to the time last week. Because last week it was going towards this way, wasn't it? Yeah. When it was coming up and that.
You know, cows are meant to be the most dangerous animal in the UK.
Yeah, didn't we Google it?
That's facts, that, you know.
No,
Luke, do you remember when we did Yorkshire Wolds Way? And they was blocking the gates and that, mate, and we was like, shit, what do we do? Yeah.
Like proper after Matty.
Yeah, bad, wasn't it?
Shit you up though, didn't it?
Yeah, I was scared, me, you're not going to lie, because you can just lay on you and you're dead, aren't you? Yeah. Well, he knows we're talking about him.
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna fly all the way down there.
You what?
It's a few cows.
Yeah, I thought a few fatties.
Good morning. I had a chance to vlog this morning in a fucking rush. I got my braids done at 9:30, and I've got less than an hour to get there, so in a fucking rush. So I'll probably just vlog after that. So cut to me now, looking all fresh and clean. Yo guys, so hair done, feeling fucking fresh. On the route home, get home, have some din-dins, and set up for trading session at 2:30. Still fucking early today though. But yeah, such a beautiful day to be walking out in the sun today. On the way back home now, gonna get home, have some breakfast / dinner because I ain't eating at all today. I'm just running on pure energy drink, pure Red Bull. But yeah, gonna get home, have some dinner, have a gym session, and then crack on with the trading session at 2:30. So yeah, man, been a busy week, busy day. Let's get home, smash out this trading session, have a good end to the day, and a possible good end to the week. I ain't really got else to share with you. I'm literally just marching home now. And again, getting my steps in, good weather, the sun's shining, why not walk about? Just makes sense, doesn't it, at the end of the day? Yeah, beautiful out here.
You miss me, kid? Eh? Go on.
I think she missed me, didn't she? Good girl, aren't you, kid? Good girl. I didn't end up trading New York session in the end. I decided to take the rest of the day off. I chilled out, went to my cousin's, had a few beers, got back, I've had my tea, and I'm going to sit and watch the rugby tonight. So not much to vlog for the rest of the day today. I may or may not vlog tomorrow because Fridays I like to take the day off and not trade. So yeah, the vlog may end here or it may not. You guys will know. So stay sharp as always and take it easy.